You're watching the Weiss channel. Today we're going to add and subtract rational expressions. 3 over a plus 4 over a is 7 over a, right? Once you have the denominators already common, just write it out. You can't combine 7x with 3y, so we just write 7x minus 3y over 15m squared n. But here, we're going to combine terms. But with this minus here, that's like parentheses. You have to distribute the negative. It's going to be minus 7a minus 4. So 5a minus 7a is negative 2a, and 7 minus 4 is 3 over 3r squared t. Okay? Now, remember how 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4, the common denominator, is 12? 3 times 4 is 12, so 1 times 4 is 4, because whatever you do at the bottom, you gotta do the top. 4 times 3 is 12, so 1 times 3 is 3. Now, 4 12ths plus 3 12ths is 7 12ths. Remembering that 12 here in the denominator is 3 4, right? Why do I say that? Because what if you have 1 over a and 1 over b? What's the common denominator? ab. So a times b is ab. So 1 times b is b. b times a is ab, so 1 times a is a. Answer, b plus a over ab. Could I write a plus b over ab? Sure. Here, mn is your common denominator, right? So it's going to be 3n and 4m over mn. Here, xy is your common denominator. It's going to be 11ay, right? Because you multiply the x times y, and you multiply the y times x, so it's 3bx. You've got 11ay minus 3bx over xy. 4x and 5x, common denominator is 20x, right? 4x times 5 is 20x, so 9 times 5 is 45. 5x times 4 is 20x, so 8 times 4 is 32. 45 minus 32 is 13 over 20x. 5 and 8, common denominator is 40. Times 8 is 64, times 5 is 5x. 64x minus 5x, 59x over 40. Here, does it make sense that the common denominator is 4x squared? Because 4x goes into 4x squared, and 4x squared goes into 4x squared. So this times x, so this times x. This stays the same, so 5 stays the same. You can't combine 7x with 5, so you just write 7x plus 5 over 4x squared. Over here, does it make sense that 5x is the common denominator? This doesn't change, so this doesn't change. X times 5 is 5x, so 1 times 5 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7 over 5x. Does it make sense that 8x is the common denominator here? Because 8x goes into 8x and 4x goes into 8x. This stays the same, so 9 stays the same. 4x times 2 is 8x, so 5 times 2 is 10. 9 plus 10 is 19 over 8x. You've been watching the Weiss channel.